Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix MacBook Air not turning on issue. Solution 1. Check the brightness on your MacBook. Sometimes the brightness of your display may go completely off by accident. Press the F2 key to increase the brightness. Solution 2. Restart the MacBook as it may have a display problem. Unplug any accessories that you don't need plugged into the MacBook before restarting, like external hard drives, USB hubs, and mobile drives. Sometimes accessories can actually interrupt process in your MacBook. Solution 3. Reset the PROM. PROM keeps a memory of certain settings even when the MacBook is powered off. Resetting the PROM to hold down Command, Option or Alt keys P and R at the power button at the same time. Continue holding the keys until your Mac restarts for the second time. Solution 4. Reset the SMC. SMC stands for System Management Controller. To reset the SMC, shut down the MacBook. Press Shift, Control, Option or Alt keys and the power button at the same time. Now release all those keys and the power button at the same time. Restart your Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. So guys, like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.